Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I'll show you how we can find and turn on hidden apps. So currently I just hide the Google Chrome. As you can see, when I enter here for the Google folder, or when I go here or here, I cannot find this browser. When I even type here Chrome or Google, there is no other browser. So it's very simple to find it. You have to click and hold the home screen, then move to the preferences, go for the hide apps, and as you can see, there we got the our app. When you tap on it another time, it will be activated. So when we go back, we will be simply able to find it. It will appear probably here. As you can see right now, we can find our Google Chrome. So as you can see, it was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.